Hi, in this video, I will discuss about number formatting through the conditional formatting. So let's see how we can do it. So here is my number. So this is the total salary. I want to format this cell reference using conditional formatting. The shortcut of conditional formatting is Alt HL. So this is the shortcut. So you have a lot of options. Suppose I'm taking first option greater than. So in greater than, suppose you want to highlight only those values which is more than 45,000. So here I'm highlighting only more than 40,000. Default color is this. So you have to decide the colors. Here I'm taking this color. So you can see here, this is the color. So if you want to take third color, this is a third color. If you want to take another color, so all the different color, you have to decide which color you want to take. Okay, so this is the list of color. Okay, now if you want to create own color, then you have to click on format. Then you have to decide you want to highlight the background color, then you have to take it green. And if you want to change the border, so you can take border also. So here I am taking dotted border. Now I want to change the font. So suppose I'm taking bold italic, and here you want to take which color. So if you want to take blue color, okay. Now if you want to change the number format, so you so on, we have a lot of options. So click on OK. Now see here, it's applied. Click on OK. This is the first option of conditional formatting, which is greater than. Second option is less than. In less than, I want to take here those values which is more than 20, less than 20,000. So I want to highlight only those value which is less than 20,000. Okay, so I'm not highlighting. Now I'm taking another option. Another option is between. So you want to highlight only those value which is 15,000 to 20,000. So here I'm taking 15,000, and here I'm taking 20,000. So here I'm taking 20,000. So it will highlight only those value which is between 15 to 20,000. Okay. So next option is here, uh, equal to. So here, if you want to highlight only those value which is 60,000. As of now, we don't have any 60,000 value. So you can see here I have applied this. But if I type here manually 60,000, automatically it will highlight, you can see. Okay. So this is the equal to. And then I'm selecting again total salary. Then you have to go to next option, that text that content. Text that content, I want to highlight only those value where zero is available. So I'm taking here zero. So see here zero is available, but here you don't have zero, but it's highlighting. Why it's highlighting? Because uh, zero is available after decimal or before decimal. Just see here. Here you have to put your pointer. See here, decimal zero is available before decimal. Okay. So this is the way to highlight on number. So now I'm just removing the conditional formatting. So you have to go to clear rule, and you have to decide you want to remove the conditional formatting from selected cell, or you want to remove the conditional formatting from entire sheet. So here I'm clicking on entire sheet. Now again I'm selecting. Now you have to go to another option. Another option is date occurring. Date occurring, we have multiple options. So here I have data. So this is our data sets from 2021 to 2024. So I want to highlight through the date part. So see here, date occurring. Here I'm taking date. So yesterday date was, today is 4th of November. So yesterday means 3rd of November will be highlighted. Here I'm taking custom format. I'm highlighting through the red color. So here I'm taking red color and click on OK and click on OK. Now you have to check. So in this big data sets, you have total 300 400 data. Sorry, not three, thousands of data. So it's difficult to find out where is the yesterday date. So you have to apply filter. Control Shift L is used to apply the filter. Then you have to click on this drop down list, filter by color. So here is color which I applied, which for yesterday. So you can see here, this is the yesterday date. Now I'm removing the filter. So you have to press Control Shift L. Okay, Control Shift L is used to remove the filter. So now again I'm selecting it. Now you have to go to conditional formatting. Then you have to go to date occurring. So date occurring, here I'm taking today's date. It will highlight today's date. If I talk about the tomorrow's date is 5th of November. Okay. So if you want to highlight last 7 days, so here including today, it will highlight last 7 days. So here I'm highlighting last 7 days with color will be blue. So here I'm taking blue color, click on OK, click on OK. Now including today, blue color is highlighted last 7 days. So you can see here I'm taking blue color including today, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So last 7 days is highlighted. Okay, now I'm moving on next. So here I'm taking next option is uh, here last week today is Saturday. So last week was last before last Monday. Before last Monday was last week. So here I'm highlighting last week. So here you can see last week will be highlighted. I'm just taking red color to highlight last week. So last week means show you last week means this number. So last week was uh, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Okay, 23 to 29 if my week is starting from Monday. If my week is starting from Sunday, then it will highlight 22 to 28. Okay, so 23 to 29 will be highlighted. You can see here I'm just applying filter. Then see here, this is the red color. So you can see here 22 was Sunday. So it's taking Sunday to 28, Sunday to Monday. Okay, Sunday to Saturday. Okay, so this is the week highlighted last week. Okay, now I'm highlighting another option. So we have multiple options of date. So here I'm moving on date. So here last option is this week. This week means whatever week now going on. Okay. Next week means coming week. Upcoming week will be highlighted. Last month, as of now, it's going on November month. So October month will be last month will be highlighted. Okay. Now I'm taking this month. This month means November month will be highlighted. If I talk about the next month means December will be highlighted. So now I'm taking uh, different color to highlight December month. So I'm taking yellow color and click on OK. Click on OK. Now see here yellow color highlighted by color. See here December month is highlighted. So this is the date conditional formatting. Now moving on next part. So next is duplicate value. So duplicate value here you cannot apply. So here I want to highlight duplicate value. So here I have selected the range of data. So you have to go there and click on duplicate value. Now see here by default duplicate value is highlighted with default color. If you want to highlight unique color, unique option is also available. So you have to decide which options you want to take. Okay, so that's all for this numerical highlight value using conditional formatting. Thank you so much for this video.